English workplace culture and etiquette. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of workplace culture and etiquette in English-speaking countries. Whether you're planning to work in one or just curious about the customs, understanding the workplace norms can help you fit in and excel. Let's get started. And remember, if you find something particularly interesting, we've highlighted it for you. In many English-speaking countries, especially in corporate environments, there is a preference for a formal dress code. This usually means suits for men and either suits or professional dresses for women. However, with the rise of startups and tech companies, many workplaces now embrace a more casual dress code. Always ask your employer about the dress code before your first day. Communication is often direct but polite. While it's encouraged to speak up and share your thoughts, it's equally important to be respectful and listen actively. English speakers appreciate clarity, so it's better to ask questions if you're unsure. Remember, it's not just about what you say, but also how you say it. Tone of voice and body language are crucial. Being on time is highly valued in English-speaking workplaces. If you have a meeting or appointment, aim to be there a few minutes early. Being late is often seen as disrespectful or a sign of poor time management. If you anticipate being late, always inform the relevant parties in advance. While working hours are generally structured, there are usually designated breaks, such as a lunch hour. During these times, employees might socialize with colleagues, and it's a great way to build relationships. However, avoid discussing sensitive topics like religion, politics, or personal finances unless you're sure of the company's culture around these discussions. Meetings are a common way to discuss projects, share updates, or make decisions. Preparation is key. Always come to a meeting having read any relevant materials and ready to contribute. Collaboration is highly valued, and team efforts are often prioritized over individual accomplishments. In many English-speaking countries, feedback is seen as a tool for growth. It's common to receive both positive feedback and constructive criticism. Always be open to feedback, and when giving it, focus on the task or behavior rather than the individual. Understanding workplace culture and etiquette in English-speaking countries can be a significant asset, both professionally and personally. We hope this video has given you valuable insights to navigate and thrive in these environments. Until next time, happy learning and best of luck in all your endeavors.